Good day, sir. I am Nana Maria S. Oranan from Group 5. So, my members are Orsal Vangeline, Marie Chris Ortega, Cindy Rambuyong. So, the curriculum development and evaluation with emphasis on the training methodology to 21st century basic competency. So, the qualification is beauty care NC2 superseded. So, the list of identified basic competency, beauty care in situ, superseded. First, participate in workplace communication. Second, work team environment. Third is practice career professionalism. And fourth is practice occupational health and safety procedures. List of identified basic competency, 21st century basic competencies, unit of competencies, NC2 level. So, participate in workplace communication, work in team environment, solve address general workplace problems, so and develop career and life decision, contribute to workplace innovation, present relevant information, practice occupational safety and health policies and procedures, and exercise efficient and effective sustainable practices in the workplace. And so in the last one is practice entrepreneurial skills in the workplace. So, list of identified basic competencies, beauty care and C2 competencies. First is participate in workplace communication. 21st century basic competency is participate in workplace communication, integration in CBC. So, discussion, this competency is integrated through client consultation, role-playing, and service simulation. So, student practice proper communication with clients by asking their needs, explaining procedures, and responding politely. This help improve their confidence and communication skills in a real salon setting. Beauty care in situ competency, work in team environment, 21st century basic competency, work in team environment. So, integration in CBC. This competency is integrated through group activities and salon simulation. Students learn how to cooperate with coworkers, assist each others, and complete tasks efficiently. Teamwork and important to provide smooth and quality service in the beauty care industry. So, in the beauty care in situ competencies, practice career professionalism, and 21st century basic competency is develop career and life decision. So, this competency is the integrated by teaching proper grooming, work ethics, and decision making. Students are trained to be responsible, punctual, and respectful. This is help them become professional in the beauty care providers. So fourth is practice occupational health and safety procedures. So in the 21st century basic competency is practice of occupational safety and health policies and procedure. So this competency is integrated through demonstration and actual practice of sanitation and hygiene. Students learn proper hand washing, tools sterilization, and safety procedures to prevent infection and accident in beauty service. Fifth is solve and address general workplace problem. In a 21st century basic competency is solve and address general workplace problem. So this competency is integrated through situational activities like handling client complaints or service issue. Students are trained to think critically, solve problems, and give appropriate situation. So, six, we have present relevant information. In the 21st century basic competency, so we have also present relevant information. So this competency is integrated through client interaction and service explanation. Student practice explaining beauty services, products, and aftercare clearly clients. So 7, we have contribute to workplace innovation in the 21st century basic competency. So we have also contribute to workplace innovation. So this is a competency is integrated through creative activities where students suggest new beauty ideas, trends, or service improvement. So 8, exercise efficient and effective sustainable practices in the workplace. So in the 21st century basic competency, we have also exercise efficient and effective sustainable practices in the workplace. So this competency is integrated to proper use of materials and waste management. Students learn how to avoid product waste, maintain cleanliness. So in the 9, practice entrepreneurial skills in the workplace. So in the 21st century, we have practiced entrepreneurial skills in the workplace. So this competency is integrated through many business activity like planning salon services. Students learn how basic business skills such as pricing, customer service, and some simple management. So, in the conclusion, the beauty care NC2 basic competency and the 21st century basic competency are related but not exactly the same. Some skills like communication, teamwork, and safety are similar because they are essential in the workplace. However, the 21st century competency includes additional skills as problem solving, innovation, sustainability, and entrepreneurship. So these competencies are integrated into the competency-based curriculum or CBC through activity like role-playing, group work, and service simulation. This helps students develop both technical skills and soft skills. So the integration 21st century competency make students more prepared and adaptable and ready for real world work in the beauty care industry. So, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.